Well, this is a song that I'm about to introduce to the item. It was about a story from my mom. She always telling me the right thing in life, you know? So last thing I know. I always feel deep when I have to explain this and start this about her. But it's Tuesday. Even though she gone, but I still remember everything that she said to me. I know you gone, mama. Your word still linger on in my mind. Yeah, you taught me everything I know, mama, from such a tender age. The way to live and how to achieve. You're telling me honesty is the greatest rate of life. Cause every rooster have a roost, yes. And every bird have a nest, yes. Now it's up to you to try your best. Try your best, my child. Now I'm on the right place and time. Yeah, surely gonna get just what's mine. Yeah, I've been working honestly all this time, waiting patiently. Now I'm on the relapse letter. You can't play this one time. That's I know. Again. I know you can't, mama. Your words still linger on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You taught me everything I know, mama, from such a tender age. The way to live and how to achieve. You're telling me honesty is the greatest rate of life. Cause every rooster have a roost, yes. And every bird have a nest, yes. Now it's up to you to try your best. Try your best, my child. Now I'm on the right place and shine. Surely gonna get just what's mine. I've been working honestly all this time, waiting patiently. Now I'm on the right place and time. Surely gonna get just what's mine. Sometimes in life it can be hard, but don't give in, don't give up. For blessings a bit corrupt, it will interrupt the state of mind and drive you crazy. But don't you stop, never stop doing what I taught you, yes. Said if you fall, get right back up and don't you say no. So I'm on the right place and time, surely gotta get just what's mine. I've been working on this all this time, waiting patiently. Now I'm on the right place and time. Surely gotta get just what's mine. I've been working on this all this time, waiting patiently. Now I'm on the right place and time. Moving to the Before I go, I want to introduce the Freedom Bands to you. And Jam, we have Toko. And on keyboard, I have David over here, my brother. And the body sing we have over here is Mr. Fate. And guitar. And the most important things to me is Mr. Sample, the bass man. Rastafari. Now I'm on the right place and time. Surely gotta get just what's fine. I've been working on the job and waiting patiently. Know I'm on the right place on time. Surely gotta get just what's mine. I've been waiting on the job this time. Waiting patiently. Know I'm on the right place on time. Surely gotta get just what's mine. Said I'm on the right place on time. Surely gotta get just what's mine. Said I'm on the right place on time. Surely gotta get